2018 Honda Accord Sport. If you want to reset the maintenance reminders, it's pretty simple. You're just going to use the button on the steering wheel, and you're going to use the cluster right here. You're going to hit the home button. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says maintenance. Okay, and enter into that. To enter into that, you just press the rotary dial in. Okay, and you can just follow the directions right there. I mean, it's as simple as just pressing and holding down this button. Okay, and basically you can choose which items you want to reset. Let's go to item 2. Okay. Alright. And really, you need to go and find out what these items are before you reset them, but that's up to you. And we reset all items. Okay. And it's that simple. Well, I hope the information was useful. If it was, do me a favor and drop me a comment or hit that thumbs up button.